Morning everyone. Welcome to another adventure of Clogs on the Mountain. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today we're on Tryfan Bach with Matthew, and I'm going to be learning a bit more about how to tread climb, placing gear and that sort of stuff. Really keen on learning some more techniques. Bear in mind, this is not a video how to tread climb. This is just for me learning some more techniques. So let's get to Tryfan Bach and let's see what it's about. Alright, climbing. Let's get up there. Oh. Kijk. Oh, somebody dropped some nuts over here. Climbing. Yep.
Cool.
Alright, climbing.
Oh, beautiful. It's meant for this. One sec, please. Tired, can't keep it.
Awesome. Hello.
Nice, mate.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's not too bad, that nice and chill.
Yeah. Abseiling of Tryfan Bach. There goes Matthew. See you later, Matthew. There's a rope. Whee! Woohoo! Awesome! Well, that was that. Woo! So yeah, that was that. Absolutely awesome. Great little grade 3 tread up Tryfan Bach, and an awesome abseil down.
Not grade 3, it's a diff.
Oh, it's a diff. Oh, it's a diff actually. Lovely. So that was that. Learned a bit more about tread today, so we'll keep using and keep learning more along the way. Yeah, so next adventure, my brother will be joining me. He's flying in from the Netherlands today, and we're going up Tryfan Bach, so that'll be an interesting one. So tune in for that one. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so. For now, thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next adventure. See you later, guys.